Hello, Jarek Buchholz here, and today I would like to just share with you our idea, which we discussed with our team, related to how we are working, how we are utilizing our resources, what applications we've been using on a regular basis to generate the leads, like for the home sellers, home buyers, money partners. However, I believe that can be very beneficial for you as a real estate professional to learn more how that can be done from an automation perspective, how to save the money, how to save the time, how to automate the processes, how to book an appointment, how to send the emails, how to automate the emails, how to send the text messages to the prospects for the home buyers, home sellers, and money partners. So I believe that will be very beneficial for you. I would love you to have a look at that, watch, learn, and definitely benefit from it. That will be a registration link, definitely. However, that workshop, those video series will be free. We just want to share and partner with you in the future. So thank you very much, and I hope you will be enjoying that information and you will benefit from it. That's the primary goal. Thank you.